Let's make this bag, baby. Let's see, that camera's on. Perfect. Cool. We are live, baby. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Let's see, share the screen. Yep, all right, cool. Morning, Tube. Morning, TikTok. Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. Hopefully you guys are ready to crush it today. Make some moolah. Let's see, copy link. Live trading futures for New York Open. Cool. And real quick, as always, if you guys could, the ones joining the TikTok, make sure to double tap that screen. It helps a lot with the algo, especially when I first go live. So again, if your phone is in your left hand or wherever, whatever hand you're holding it in, take your other hand's pointer finger and double click that screen. Again, it helps a lot with the algo, especially when I first go live. So again, double tap that screen. If you guys are watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Both of those really help, again, especially when I first go live. So again, everybody in the TikTok, double tap that screen. And then everybody in the tube, hit that thumbs up. Pushes my page out to more people. The more people we have in here, the more fun it is. So make sure you guys do that. And if you're new, make sure to hit that follow. I live trade every single day for New York Market Open. What's up, Justin? Welcome back. Manly Haha. Ted Metro. I'm talking. You should be able to hear me. My mic's moving, so you should. Just gotta check your speakers. I'm doing good. Forgot to say good. I'm still tired. Bear with me. I was talking to another Justin, but hello, Justin number 2. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, make sure you guys run up them likes. And then remember, everybody on the tube, at 150 likes, you guys get an account giveaway. So it's entirely dependent on you guys. If you hit 150 likes, you get an account giveaway. If not, you know, I'll keep the account. Let's see. Let everybody on the gram know that we are live. Okay, let's see. Live on. Bit. How's everybody's weekend? Everybody have a good weekend. You're Justin number 1. You think it's going to be a good long, or it's going to be a good long or short when market opens? Depends. I mean, we have earnings tomorrow. Honestly, my expectations are pretty low today because we have Google tomorrow, and then Wednesday we have Tesla. And there's not a whole lot of news either. So expectations are low, at least until Tesla. And then I feel like Thursday, Friday is going to be the best days this week. Good morning, Rich. Again, good morning, everybody. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Live trade every single day for you guys here for New York. Periodically throughout the week for Power Hour, and then periodically throughout the week for Asia. So if you guys haven't, find that follow button top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. and then just tap in for the live streams whenever I'm live. Make sure to hit that follow. Live trade everything. Call out all my trades from start to finish. Exactly where I'm looking for entries, exits, stop loss, etc., etc. Been trading since 2017, so definitely have a lot of experience in the market. So again, make sure you guys hit that follow button if you're new. Top left, top right. You hear me yet, Ted? Fix your speakers. How we doing, Zoom? Everybody doing good? Vibing, chilling. Go over the watch list here in about like 5-10 minutes, give or take. Give some people more time to join. But if you guys have questions, feel free to type them in the chat while we're chilling. Good morning, J-Rod. I'm doing good, Jake the Snake. No complaints. Chilling with the coffee. Same. Yes, sir. Was my end. Bet. What are you guys watching today? What are you guys watching, Team Bull? What you guys got on radar? We got Google tomorrow for earnings and Tesla on Wednesday. Natural gas and gold. Interesting. How do you trade natural gas? How much you make per penny? Like it's at 0.88 right now. What if it went to 0.89? Oh. Oh, did I read it wrong? Am I dyslexic? No, you edited it. Okay. NQ. Just QQQ. Fire. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that follow button. I can guarantee all 80 of you here in the TikTok are not following. So find that follow button, top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. Live trade every single day for you guys. All you have to do is follow and join. That's it. I'll start calling people out here in a little bit. New York. Bro, where are all these spammers coming from? Mute. Get out of here. Do I mentor? Yes. If you go to the link in my bio, you can check it out. Or I have a bunch of videos on my tube channel as well. BrandonTrades over there. We're gonna go over the watch list here in a little bit. Give everybody like 5 more minutes to join on the tube, join here, and then my Zoom as well. So in about 5 more minutes, we'll go over the watch list. Questions before we go over the watch list, everybody. Again, we got 5 more minutes. Do I trade with Bookmap? Yep. Every day. Every single day. We got Bookmap up. Post this on the gram real quick. Okay. Questions before open, everybody. Bookmap is order flow. Do you think using Bookmap is a necessity? I haven't signed up yet. I wouldn't say it's a necessity by any means, but I'll sit there and vouch for Bookmap every single day. I think it helped me a lot as far as consistency. I've been using it every single day for about like 4 years, I would say. And it pretty much just helps confirm or deny your bias at a certain level because we can visually see where buyers and sellers are. So, if we come down to demand and we think that price is going to bounce, well, we should see buyers in the order flow, right? Or if we come up to supply, we should see sellers. Well, if there's no buyers or sellers at our key level, then that tells us that, the level is not valid, And plus, like, there's other things that it can help you with, understanding where to trim, where your stop loss should be, et cetera, et cetera. I'm here, Jay. I'm just chilling right now. Yeah, if you go on the tube, if you guys are watching on TikTok, if you go on the tube and you type in BrandonTrades Bookmap or BrandonTrades order flow, keep stuttering today. Brain's moving quicker than I can speak. But yeah, BrandonTrades Bookmap or BrandonTrades order flow, I'll pop right up. Got a bunch of videos. Well, hold on. Don't sign up yet. Let me give you my link. Hold on. Use this link right here. I don't know if they still have the discount going on, but regardless, use that link. Let's get this posted up and then I am good to go. And again, if you guys are new watching on the TikTok, there's about 120 of you in here. All right. Find that follow button at the top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. I live trade every single day. So all you guys got to do is follow. All right. Again, top left, top right. Take your pointer finger, this finger right here. If you're left handed, take this one right here. Find the follow and click it. All you guys got to do, follow and join. Ask questions, live trade every single day. And yeah, that's about it. Follow and join. If you want to check out my tube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm also live over there right now as well. 138,000 subscribers, 1,800 videos, tons of free education over there. Well, I didn't know you were in here, Mr. GD. That's you, my co-host. There you are, buddy. Say something real quick. There you go. All right, speakers work. Bet. Never heard of Quant Towers, so I have no idea. Never heard of Quant. Again, make sure you guys double tap the screen as well. Both those things help a lot with the algo. Following and double tapping. As far as the tube, hitting the thumbs up and then the chat rate. Both of those help a lot with the algo as well. So type in the chat, ask questions, hit the thumbs up, all that good stuff. Give you guys about like 5 more minutes and then we'll go over this watch list. 5 more minutes. What'd you guys do this weekend? Anything exciting or fun? Eventful? Do you set up over the weekend or just before market opens? I mean, for Monday, I'll do over the weekend, but throughout the week, it's before market open. I usually wake up at 6:45, so 45 minutes before market open, come down, do my analysis, and then Go from there. Do you hear me, Jay? Hello, hello. Maybe not. What clubbing? Check your speakers. Been trading props for a year and a half now. Moving 2,000 to a live account is Weeble, a good one. Are you trading futures or options? Going clubbing. Nice. But yeah, I would say it depends on futures. I'd say probably Tradeovate then. I just know Tradeovate's super easy, but then also they have lower fees. I don't know exactly what Weeble's fees are for futures, but yeah, I would say Tradeovate's probably your best bet. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate it mucho. Morning Hopium. Rich Frisco with the wife. Fire. 12 minutes until market open. What are you watching, GD? Got Google and Tesla earnings this week. Yup. Yeah, this is NQ. I trade NQ and ES. And then if I see something on options, then I'll trade that too. So I want to watch Apple today and AMD as far as options. Dude, where are all these spammers coming from? Get out of here. Cool. Got 10 minutes till open. As always, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, BRANDON in all caps. Obviously, the goal of these live streams, help you guys pass your accounts, help you guys get payouts. All you got to do is join and trade with me. So, Team Bull, you guys ready for the watch list? Let me just type this out real quick and then we're good to go. So, I'm so excited for this watch list. I know. Calm yourself. Put your pants back on. All right. So, watch list for NQ today. Get above this pre-market high at 29,109. We can look for a continuation. If the market pulls back, we do have an hourly demand all the way down here, 28823 and then 28808. So, yeah, get down there. We can look for the balance. As far as a reject, I mean, we do have a fib from this previous high all the way at like 30,062 down to where we bounced on Friday. So 50% retracement will be 29235, give or take. So I'll look for a potential reject there. A little more bias to the upside. If we get above this pre-market high, look for the longs, take it up here, look for a reject. So that's it for NQ. As far as ES, same thing, get above that pre-market high, 75.45, look for the push into 75.52, which is going to be that 50% fit from that pivot high to pivot low. As far as demand though, no demand at all. And then want to keep an eye on Apple as well as AMD. It looked like AMD had some news. What time is this? At 9 a.m. EST. So keep an eye on that. And then that's about it. Earnings tomorrow, got Google. And then Wednesday, we got Tesla. So expectations are a little low. Just wait and see what the market has to offer. And then we'll go from there. Cool. Cool. All right, everybody. Let's get this bag today. That is the watch list. Thank you. No more upside bias for the morning so far. Depends if we lose the moving averages, though. I have my 2 funded Apex 50K ready to work for 6 payouts in each one. Discipline is hard. First time with 2 funded accounts. Yep, just take it slow. Take it slow. Use proper risk management. And, hopefully we can get you to those payouts. Everything that I do is based on the higher time frames. 30, 45 minute, hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, etc. I just use a 5 and a 2 minute to get my entries off my higher time frame key levels. Appreciate the follow. Trading futures hard. I mean, trading in general is hard until you master it. So doesn't matter if you're trading options, futures, penny stocks, individual stocks, etc. Forex, crypto. It's all hard, until you find a strategy and master your psychology. Seven minutes until open. Again, any questions before market open? I say exactly where I enter. What's up, Jason? Do I have a first 15-minute strategy? Just wait for my key levels. That's it. Wait for key levels. If we hit it within 2 minutes, we take it. If it hits an hour later, we take it then. But yeah, it depends. When do we hit it? That's the deciding factor. There we go. Let's get this bag today. 5 minutes. 30-minute orb high and low, pre-market high and low, previous day high and low, and then supply and demand. That's pretty much it. Basic, simple key levels. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. If you guys are watching on the tube, make sure to subscribe. And if you're watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm live over there right now as well. Again, BrandonTrades on the tube. I thought I turned them down. Why is it so loud? There it is. Okay. Yeah, check out my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 1,800 videos, 138,000 subs. So if you guys want to tap in, again, go on the tube and type in BrandonTrades. You're up 5K, fire. Sauna down, now patience. Or sauna done, now patience. There we go. Good stuff. Why don't you come join Team Bull, Jonathan? It's 50% off right now. Good morning. To get lifetime access with me, you have to be in my mentorship. Again, if you want to check that out, the link's in my bio. Got 140 of you on the tube right now. Again, make sure you guys run it up to 150 likes. We usually get anywhere from like 200 to 350 people at once on the tube. So if you guys run it up to 150 likes, you get an account giveaway. Lifetime access is like, you know, you get lifetime access to trading with me. Like you're on Zoom with me every single day. Bro's been trading since I was 4 years old. I don't even know what the hell I was doing at 4 years old. Probably playing with little wrestling action figures. This man was trading. I just take them whenever. Let's get it. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, everybody. What was that? I was about to say something. Oh no. 1 minute. 1 minute until market open. All right, Team Bull. Trade safe, trade smart. Let's get this bag. $30 seconds. Actually, 15 seconds. Cool. Let's get it. See where SPX opens. Right under 7,500. ES is looking pretty bullish off the get-go. Is everybody's trade of 8 working? I see one person saying no. All right, bet. Cool, cool. Honestly, I like upside a lot. I want to see how this 5-minute candle closes. Q. Why is this laggy? I want to see how this 5-minute candle closes. If we can close bullish and then maybe a pullback, I like longs. Might just do it like right off the open though. Worst case scenario, we watch that break and retest of the pre-market high, which we're getting close to. What's your definition of a micro pullback? Again, make sure you guys follow if you haven't already. Top left, top right. Make sure you guys tap it. I'm taking them daily, don't know why, but I think it keeps me more in check with my risk management. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's really personal preference when you take your payouts. If you like to take them daily, if you can, you know, go ahead. There's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, it's just personal preference. You know, if you wait a few days and you build a bigger buffer, then obviously you get a larger payout. But if you like the smaller, consistent payouts, then you can absolutely do that. There's no right or wrong way. to go about it. Already had this pre-market high on ES as well as NQ actually. So again, 5-minute candle closes above. Pullback. I like longs. We're above that 7,500 on SPX as well. You're gonna jinx it, bro. Dude, my eyes deceive me. ES and NQ are going up together. They don't want to diverge anymore. I want to see if we can actually close above these levels. Ideally, would like to see like multiple candles close above it, but we'll see. Multiple candle closures above it. Yeah, now we're rocking in the tube. We got about like 200 of you. Rocking and rolling on the tube, baby. Got about a minute and a half left on this candle to see if we can get above it. I'm not in anything. I'll stay if I'm in. Shopify. Are you watching Shopify, GD? It's got like a weekly cup and handle. I was looking at it last night. Getting above the pre-market high on NQ. See if we can get like, ideally, like a pretty big push above this level. That way it stays a little overextended and then it pulls back and tests it. Because right now, this very, very big green candle off the open, I wouldn't be entirely interested in longing it if it like stayed right here and then pulled back. I'd like to see a big overshoot of the level and then like a decent pullback into my level of, you know, pre-market high. So not entirely interested if it did it here. Again, I want that bigger push and then the pullback. That'd be much higher probability. See if the market gives it to us. Appreciate the follows. Again, if you guys are watching on the tube, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as hitting that thumbs up. At 150 likes, we will do an account giveaway. If you're on the TikTok, hit that follow button, top left, top right. Make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, as well. Live trade over there every single day. New York, 1,800 videos, 138,000 subs, tons of free education. So again, BrandonTrades on the tube if you guys want to tap it. Yeah, see if we can get a little more of a push. ES is trying to get above that level. Again, I would like to see NQ hold above this a little longer. If you guys got questions, feel free to type them up. Tube or TikTok, feel free to type. Yes, it's currently struggling with that that pre-market high. See if we can actually get acceptance above it. Would like another 1 or 2 5-minute candles to close above this pre-market high on NQ, and then get the pullback. That would be ideal. Let's see, QQQ. Pullback would be around like 703.77. So we're watching QQQ, 704 calls. Or 705. Probably 705. Keep an eye on that. Appreciate the follow. We are running into that 50% retracement on ES. Rejecting off that 50% retracement right now on ES. See if it actually rejects and comes back down below that pre-market high. Everybody staying patient. Staying patient, waiting for an A+ setup. Nobody's forcing trades, right? Okay, so we rejected off that 50% retracement. Coming down into this pre-market low. See if we get a little lower. If I had to guess, it's probably going to edge us. So far it is. And I want to see what happens at 10. Or what is this level? 29,110. We did reject that 50% retracement though. So depends on the reaction. But really, if I had to guess, just based on this this market, it's probably going to edge us. Bro, these spam accounts are crazy today. It's going to do it, everybody. Watch. New high day incoming. Always. If we hit the level, though, I'm interested. Again, pre-market high. Don't do that to us. Come on now. That's so stupid, bro. You want to know the thing, though? When we don't wait for proper confirmation, we're just like, oh, it's done this a million other times. As soon as we take it, nuked. Yup. You hit your daily loss limit. Why? What are you trading? Bro, why do you do this? It's been like this so many times. It edges it every time. What up? What up? What does edging mean? Google. What does edging mean? You let me know. Nah, for real though, we got so close to that level. No confirmation at all to go long. First off, like we had the right level, no confirmation. The market's been doing this a lot, but the thing is, I can guarantee you at don't Google that. I can guarantee you the second that we take a trade and we start remembering all those times where, oh, well, the market did this before, it didn't give confirmation, it did exactly what it was supposed to do. The second we take a trade based off of that logic, just nuked and stopped out. Guarantee that would happen. So, yeah, it sucks. I mean, I'll still watch it for sure if we come down. But yeah, it sucks. That would have been the long level, and you know, we're already up into a new high day. Oh, as long as you caught it, Jonathan. This NQ is gonna make me mad. We just push up in a 29235 area. I'll look for a potential reject. I trade on Trade of 8. If I trade options, it's on Thinkorswim. Had a feeling too. But I know damn well if I took that, it would have just nuked through my stop. If we come down and actually test it, though, I'll be interested. ES is touching pre-market high. See if it actually holds. Oh, for real. Would have been like, yeah, 10, 15-minute workday if you gave us confirmation. But, you know, it is what it is. Again, if you guys are new, though, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody in the TikTok, take your pointer finger, find the top left, top right of your screen. If it says follow, you are not following yet. So make sure you guys click it. Live trade every single day for you guys. All you gotta do is join, keep me entertained, and I'll call out winning trades. Keep me sane. That's a better word for it. You guys help keep me sane. Without you guys, I'd probably be going crazy. It's more fun with more people that we got. So again, follow, tap in every single day. If you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there. 138,000 subs, 1,800 videos. and a full screen view. This is NQ. NQ. And again, if you guys are watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. We got about 200 of you in here and 80 likes. So less than half of you guys have hit that like button. So make sure you guys do that. Hit that follow. AMD doesn't look too bad for upside. See if we actually touch that pre-market low. Appreciate the follows. Or pre-market high. I think I said low. Pre-market high level. 29,110. 30 points away. You said we have news at 10, yeah? Bet. It's leading indicator, so I think it has to do with inflation. About 25 points away from that pre-market high. A lot of volume on this candle, though. Yeah. Not the best candle in the world. Very bearish. Honestly, though, would not be surprised if they bounce it for some unknown reason. But very bearish 5-minute candle. A lot of volume on that push down. Yeah, we're at the level, but it's not looking there's definitely orders there, but again, not liking the price action. Would not be surprised though, based off this market, if they're just like, yeah, I'm gonna bounce it. See if we get like some kind of confirmation off of this. Have a decent amount of confluence here. See if they end up holding it. Got to reclaim like 110 for me to even be like remotely interested. We're at the 61.8 right now. Again, this 5-minute candle closes below these levels, and you know, I'm not interested in upside anymore. We'll have to reevaluate. Looks like that's probably going to be the case. I don't know why. Sometimes when I drink Starbucks, I don't feel anything, but today it's got me like crack. Yeah. completely failing that level now, everybody. So I don't care about it. We'll reevaluate, probably wait for the news here in about 10 minutes, 8 minutes. Wait for a 30-minute range. Rejected pretty good off of that 50% retracement that we talked about, but didn't like the short idea. I was hoping we could trade up into the NQ, 50% retracement up there, but it is what it is. Again, stay patient, wait for an A+ opportunity. If we get it, we take it. If not, oh well. I've never heard of Trader Rob. It's called Leading Indicators, and I believe it has to do with inflation. Appreciate the follows, everybody. We have 10 o'clock news. I'll pull it up right now. 10 a.m. Leading indicators. Got 200 of you in the tube. 200. Again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. Live over there right now as well. BrandonTrades on the tube. If you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. Obviously, the goal of these live streams, 1, teach you guys patience and discipline, but 2, find winning trades for you guys, help you guys pass your accounts, and get you guys payouts. So, again, if you ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. As of now, though, I'm going to wait for the 30-minute orb because we got about like 5 minutes. You're watching the inverse, GD? On Spire QQQ. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it with you. I'm gonna see how the inverses work. Yup. We all rich in here. Some of you are just pre-rich. You're rich in your mind long before your bank account. It's a good saying. Hoping we can stay in this range, though, for the 30-minute orb. Four minutes until news. Also, if you guys haven't, if you want to go follow me on the gram, BrandonTrades over there. If you guys ever have questions outside of these streams, you can ask me on my IG. Again, BrandonTrades over there if you guys want to go follow. Right now, we are just waiting for news. Rich as a guy, a person. We're all rich in our mind. We think about rich all day. Big old dump. Bro, it's going to be 98 degrees today. That's crazy. Too hot. Getting ready for this 30-minute orb. Yep, lots of lotion when we think about Rich. Rich is our best friend. Our pre-market low is like super far away. True. Could be worse, I guess. See what the humidity is today while we wait for this. It's supposed to storm all week, too. Thank God. Humidity, let's see. 43%. Not terrible. A lot of buyers down here. Demand is about another 170 points away. I think. Yeah. 170, 180 points away. About to hit this VWAP on NQ. Curious to see if we hold it. One minute until news. Not even. 15 seconds. Decent amount of buyers at this VWAP, though. Bro, where are all these spammers coming from today? Get out of here. Trying to bounce off that VWAP right now. Okay. Got our 30-minute orb. Holding that VWAP. A lot of buyers down here. See if they hold it. I would like to see price push back up and then come down, but market doesn't care what I think or what I would ideally like. Just stay very patient and wait for a good opportunity, everybody. See if we get below these 30-minute orb lows. I mean, maybe if we got like consecutive bearish candle closes below the orb and then a pullback up, I'd be interested in that too. We're going to get a banger today, everybody. Don't worry. Reclaiming this VWAP on NQ. It's the old US. This is the new you. New and improved. Still holding that VWAP. It's the hardest part for most people, Jake. Very strong bounce off that VWAP now. Again, just stay patient, everybody. If you guys are new on the TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Teaching you guys discipline right now and waiting for A+ opportunity. No A+ opportunity, no trades. So right now we are just waiting. In the meantime, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. I think GD is watching shorts, potentially. Oh. I'd be interested with him if it pops up more. I only have so much of my screen that I can show. Trade from 48. So if you want to see the ticker, you're not going to see what's happening right here. But again, just look at the price. That's all you have to do. And book map. It's all. If it's trading at 29,000, you know that it's NQ. If it's trading at 7,500, which is way lower than 29,000, you know it's ES. It's only so much I can show on one screen. That's why I say if you're in the Zoom, you can see everything. If you want to join the Zoom, get 50% off your first month. Here's the link. You can use code Brandon, all caps. Get 50% off. If you want to join the Discord. BRANDON, 50% off your first month. Let's see if we close below this 30-minute orb. And take out VWAP as well. That would be the ideal scenario. Take out VWAP and the 30-minute orb. Trading below the 30-minute orb on ES. See if we can actually hold below it. Just can't break below this VWAP on NQ. Appreciate the follow, Jay. Still holding NQ VWAP. Again, if you're watching on the TikTok, you guys want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, live over there right now as well. 138,000 subs, 1,800 videos. So again, BrandonTrades on the tube. If you guys want to come tap in, BrandonTrades. ES is back down below the 30-minute orb low. Would like to see NQ down there as well, but still holding VWAP on NQ. Got about 45 seconds till this candle closes. We'll see. "45 seconds. Remember, we do have Google earnings tomorrow and then Tesla Wednesday. Market could potentially chop. Close below the 30-minute orb on ES, but we're still above it on NQ. Would prefer this NQ below the 30-minute orb. That way both of them have, clear trend of being below. So we'll see. This is NQ. Again, just look at the price. The price will tell you. $956, $958. Is that the level we go? All right. Really far away from the demand, too. Apple's just getting smoked today. Again, 5-minute candle close below this 80 is what we want. Buy some dividend stocks in the meantime. See if we actually get that close. Google's up big time today. We're going to take a look at that. Let's see, Google. You see Google today, GD? It's up like $12. Meanwhile, NQ looks like shit. Google. All right, Team Bull, 5-minute candle close below this 30-minute orb on NQ, and I want to pop up to short. Need that candle close, though. See if we can get it. 2 minutes. Again, everybody stay disciplined, stay patient, and wait for these opportunities. If we get them, we trade. If we don't, you know, oh well. Back up above the VBOB level. See how we close. 30 seconds. Like a bigger, you know, bearish candle below this 30-minute word low, not like a tiny close below it. So 15 seconds. Close below it, but not the best by any means. ES is about to pop back up and test that 30-minute orb. The 50% retracement, just draw the fibs from pivot low to pivot high or pivot high to pivot low. It puts the 50 for you. You don't have to calculate anything, actually. As long as you can find that clear high and low, that's all that matters. I don't think this orb is going to be valid, though. Just stay impatient, everybody. Appreciate you becoming a channel member, Kevin. One of them's tomorrow and then one of them's Wednesday. Whether it be Tesla tomorrow and then Google, I don't know. One of the two. What? We are coming back down below it on NQ. We did technically reject it on ES. Watch, it's going to work. feel like with this price action, you just got to wing it. Wing it and pray. Just never wants to give real confirmation recently, these last few weeks. It's like technically we have no demand for a while, like another 160, 170 points down. But I don't know. Let me see. Hold on. Most anticipated earnings this week. Bro, you won't let me click on it? Oh, I thought that, bro, then whatever I was Googling yesterday, one of them said that tomorrow was Google, but no, Google's Wednesday. So actually today and tomorrow might be low probability and choppy. Just anticipation of earnings now. Feel like we're gonna go lower. Just personally don't like that 30-minute orb. It is what it is. It is what it is. Still wouldn't have hit the 1-to-1. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Top left, top right. Find it, click it. If you're watching on the tube, same thing. Find that subscribe button and hit it. I go live every single morning for you guys. Call out all my trades from start to finish. All you got to do, follow, subscribe, and join. That ES hit the orb perfectly, but NQ wasn't below it yet. Got about 100 points until our demand zone. My strategy, supply and demand, 30-minute orb, pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. Combine those key levels with order flow, volume, and price action. That's my strategy. Of course, NQ didn't even get like a good candle closure below that 30-minute orb low. Would really like demand though. Demand looks good. Did you guys take any trades? TikTok, Tube, anything? Any trades at all? Good stuff, Justin. 205 times 5. Nice. Buying this dip back up. Yeah, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes we miss trades. That's okay. There would be more opportunity. Back into the 30-minute or below. See what happens here. See if it reclaims it, pops back up. We're at this level. See if we reject it again. Or if we reclaim it. Very long upper wick. Or lower wick, sorry. Very long lower wick, reclaiming that orb. ES is actually getting pretty close to that ADMA. What are you watching? Oh. Not opposed to ES at this 8 EMA, 30-minute orb low. Just don't like how NQ reclaimed everything. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that follow button, top left, top right. If you're new, hit that follow button. If you guys ever need accounts as well, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use discount code Brandon in all caps. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. Obviously, the goal of these live streams, help you guys pass your accounts, help you guys get payouts, teach you guys, help you with discipline, etc., etc. So again, make sure you guys follow, join every single day, and if you ever need accounts, code Brandon. All right, we're touching this ADMA. Still no entry. I'm watching on ES. It's like a lower probability setup though, so good chance I don't take it. And Q is very strong right now. Yeah, no shorts on ES. Back up above that level, as well as a 30-minute orb. No trades today so far. One hour in so far. I'll still give the market like another 45 minutes to an hour. Lucid just dropped their app. What is it? Just Lucid trading? Let's see. Lucid trading. Yep. Lucid trading app. That's fire. Remember, everybody, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon, all caps. The arrows are part of my indicator. It's part of my 30-minute orb indicator. Well, at least Google's going up today. And if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. Top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. And I think GD's watching something. Bro, the 1 week I was gone, that's when we had good price action. I'll give away on the tube if we had 150 likes. So they need 37 more. And then we'll do a giveaway. But yeah, if you want to participate in the giveaway, head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. BrandonTrades. Bro, this market is trash. Straight up trash. Don't know if that VWAP up again. Of course, we're coming back down below that 30-minute orb low on ES after not confirming it whatsoever. Again, feel free to ask questions while we're chilling, everybody, because clearly there's no trades right now. So ask questions. Let's keep the chat alive. Feel free to type them up while we're just chilling. Chilling and waiting. What you guys got for me? Come back down. No questions on the TikTok or the tube? What you guys got for me? Come on. What questions? At least make it a little entertaining today. I don't really plot support and resistance, like normal levels of support and resistance. They don't hold, or they don't offer the same opportunity or probability of opportunity as supply and demand, in my opinion. So I don't even plot basic support and resistance. I think Rich is still in the room. Why not? Sure. Do I do Tokyo? Asia periodically throughout the week, yes. It just depends what I have going on that evening. If I'm busy or I did a lot of content that day, then the last thing I feel like doing is trading Asia. But if there's no content and I didn't do anything, then I will. Supply and demand, no. As long as we haven't traded through the zone, they're still valid. "30-minute orb is one of my strategies. I have multiple strategies that I use, but they all stem around key levels with order flow, price action, and volume. Exactly. I traded options on Friday, so I mean it's just kind of whenever I want to trade them, to be honest. Because with ES and NQ, we could trade SPY, QQQ options, or we could just trade the futures. So it's kind of just personal preference. But yeah, Friday I traded options. What other questions y'all got for me? Yeah, while we're sitting here literally doing nothing. Got you memes for days. I guess we'll see what happens with the stock futures, but as far as where you can even trade that, I don't know anywhere that's going to offer it yet. So we'll see. We'll see if prop firms even offer it, or if a new prop firm comes out. I'll take a pee break real quick though. Had to pee for like 40 minutes. So I'll be back. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Bits. Get out of here, you spammer. I will say the market looks weak. I think it wants more downside, but we'll see if it offers something. Honestly, if we drop back down below this 30-minute orb and then close below VWAP as well, which is in the same area on NQ, and then pop back up and retest it, I'd probably consider shorts. So we'll see. Close below this white line and pop back up. That's what I want to see. I think GD already tried them. No, your consistency is like your end of day profit. Like a little more of a bearish close. You're in shorts, right? Nice. Yeah, GD already tried the shorts. I'd like to see this pop back up. You know, if I get it, cool. If not, you know, it is what it is. Watching this pop up right here for a potential short. See if we fall back down below this range, reject off this VWAP. If we reclaim it, then obviously it's not valid, but I am watching potential shorts. Yeah, it's probably not going to be valid. Unless we fall back down below and reject. No trades so far. If we fall back down below that 70, I like shorts. Right now, just patiently waiting. What have you been doing wrong, Knuckles? You should go to the link in my bio and check it out. See if that's something that interests you. Falling back down below this level. See if we get the weakness. It's just choppy. It could potentially work, but I think I'm probably just going to hold off and wait for better price action. It's working so far, though, of course. Yeah, I mean, it's just not the cleanest price action. Like I always say, you could have the right idea, but it just doesn't make sense to take the trade, you know? So, yeah, we would have caught about like 30 points so far, but I don't know. It's just really choppy, really wicky. So I'd prefer, you know, better cleaner conditions. There is that chance that, you know, it rolls over and goes a low day. It absolutely could. But yeah, I think I want to stay a little more patient, especially these next few days until we get Google and Tesla out of the way. There's definitely volume on this candle, though. I think there is a good chance it will go to low a day. Yep. Just patiently waiting for something high probability. That's what we would have liked to see the first time we broke below that orb. That would have been, you know, way better. But yeah, we already, you know, we broke back up above it. Very strong candle down here. Came back down below, tested it again. So again, we can have the right idea sometimes, just doesn't make sense to take the position yet. I would be really interested though if we just dumped down into demand. That would be like, you know, I would actually watch this. So see if the market wants to give it to us. Who is this? I feel like it's gonna go low day. Nope, I've taken 0 trades today. 0 trades. Yep, there's that low a day. Had a feeling it would. Had a feeling it would. Let's see. We need still about like 100 points till we get down to demand. London low, that would just be pre-market low. But again, we have demand down there at 823. Appreciate the follow. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Live trade every single day for you guys. We get down to 823 on NQ, everybody. I like a bounce. 823. Come on, give us demand. Give us demand, buddy. All right. While we're waiting for this, I'm going to go make a phone call real quick. Give me like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and I'll be back. Don't leave yet. Again, let me make this phone call and I'll be back. Hold on. All right, everybody, I'm back. Let's see.
Sorry for your playing friends.
No, it's all right. Got it all painted? Hell yeah. Let's see. It's still super far away. GD dipped on out of here. Sorry, everybody. I just got back. I'm on the mic. Just chilling. Got my boy Salvador here working. Still no trades for me today, everybody. Give this market like another 25 minutes, everybody. 25, 30 minutes. Is it loud? Okay. Pass your eval, good shit. Really hoping we can get down into this demand zone, everybody, because, I mean, that's really the only thing I'm interested in. This is a 21 EMA that I have on. This price action is so ass, everybody. So ass. really like to see demand, everybody. If we end up nuking, then I'll probably just set alerts. But stick around for like another 20 minutes as long as we, have that potential to get down here. Yeah, it is what it is, Jake. Had a couple opportunities where, we had the right idea, just not proper confirmation. And, that's part of trading sometimes. But low expectations for today and tomorrow. I kind of came into, this week with that mentality. And once we get Google and Tesla out of the way, it's when things should pick up until next week. And again, real quick, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Everybody on TikTok, find the follow at the top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. Live trade every single day for you guys. Everybody on the tube, make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there right now as well. I'm live every single morning for you guys. All you guys got to do is join. Subscribe, follow, and join. Today's just a very boring day, but at least GD was able to capture a nice trade. Give the market like 15 more minutes to get into our level. Hopefully it can. The hell? Jersey Mike's is apparently going public. That's gonna be the next meme stock. My P&L today, 0. I haven't taken anything. It's $0. See if we get down here. Might just have to set alerts and go to the gym. What's the best advice you have for trading? Not trying to capture every single move in the market. 1 to 2 trades a day, ideally. That's all you need. You got it, Salvador? Nice. $18 on the day. Good job, Sprayed. It's something. That's lunch. Yeah, not a bad idea. Is that the one that's supposed to go here? I was gonna say we don't have to do that one just because I have like all these wires here. If it's gonna get in the way.
I don't touch any.
All right. The low on MES today is 75, pretty much 7,500. My level is 28823 on NQ for a bounce. But like I said, I don't think we're gonna get there. Again, I don't think we will get there. starting to push back up Team Bull. I think our best bet, honestly, is to just set alerts at our demand zone. Might hit it later in the day, might wait for power hour. Maybe it's valid tomorrow. But yeah, I don't think we're going to hit it in the next 10 minutes. You know, by all means, if you want to force a trade, Mr. Alien AK-47, because there's no setups right now. If you're going to force a trade and blow an account, just make sure you use code Brandon after. Right now, we're in the middle of chop. There's no reason to take a trade. So I would be sitting on my hands if I were you. But if you force a trade and blow an account, again, make sure to use code Brandon, all caps. All right, everybody. I'm going to call it here and hop off for the day. Like I said, just set alerts down at demand. And if we hit it, later on today, then we can look for, a trade. But yeah, nothing from me today. GD was able to capture a nice trade to the downside. So at least you guys were able to get something. But let's do it again tomorrow. Everybody have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys then. Peace. As far as everybody on TikTok and YouTube, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, subscribe. And again, as always, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit, Fortify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. I'll talk to everybody. I might hop on for Asia. We'll see. But yeah, talk to you guys whenever I go live. Peace.